Are you getting the error code blzbntagt00000bb8 while firing up Warzone? Hey folks, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the error code blzbntagt00000bb8 in Call of Duty Warzone. So let's dive right in without delay. Solution 1. First, reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset and then hit Enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Next, type in netsh ip reset and then hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if the error is gone. Solution 2. Delete Warzone game data and configuration files. To do this, first open up the Call of Duty launcher. Then click on the settings icon and select Show in Explorer. Now the File Explorer will open. Next, close the battle.net launcher from the tray icon. Then delete the .battle.net and _retail_ folders. After that, open the data folder and delete the config and indices folder. Next, go to the data folder and delete the files that have the IDX extension at the end. Now open up the run program. Then type in %local app data % and hit Enter. Next, delete the Activision and battle.net folders from here. Now reopen the Call of Duty launcher and you'll see that it's scanning game files. After that, it'll start updating the game. After the update is finished, check if the error is gone or not. Solution 3. Still seeing the error? Enable compatibility options for Warzone. To do this, right-click on Call of Duty from your desktop and then click on File Location. Now go to the Retail folder. Then scroll down and find COD. Now right-click on it and select Properties. Next, switch to the Compatibility tabs. Now take the Disable Full Screen Optimizations box. Then click on Change Hide DPI Settings. Take the last box and hit OK. After that, click on Apply and then on OK to save your settings. Now you should be able to fire up Warzone without getting this error. So folks, that's how you fix the blzbntagt00000bb8 error in Call of Duty Warzone. If the video helped you out, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.